In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine cell content in Smartsheet when you want a merged cell style result. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want to work. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before making any changes, especially if you manage several projects or data tables at once. Once the sheet is open, take a moment to identify the cells whose content you want to combine and decide where you want the final result to appear. It's important to understand something right away. Smartsheet does not handle merging cells the same way Excel does. In Excel, you might be used to visually merging multiple cells into one larger cell. In Smartsheet, that exact layout behavior is not the standard approach. Instead, if your goal is to bring together text or values from multiple cells, the most practical method is to use a formula that combines their contents into a single result cell. Next, click the cell where you want the combined result to appear. This should be the cell that will display the finished text after the values are joined together. Choosing the right destination cell helps keep your sheet organized and makes the result easier to read later. Now enter a formula that joins the cell values. This formula tells Smartsheet to pull text from two or more cells and display it together in one place. As you type, be careful to reference the correct cells so the result appears exactly as intended. If you are combining names, labels, dates, or short descriptions, you may also want to include spaces or punctuation in the formula so the final output reads naturally instead of running together. After the formula is in place, review the result and adjust the formatting to make it look clean. Even though this is not a true visual merge, formatting can make a big difference. You can improve readability by resizing columns, adjusting alignment, or changing text wrapping so the combined value is easy to see. This step is especially helpful if the joined text is longer than what normally fits in a single cell. Finally, save the sheet and review the combined cell result. Double check that the formula pulled the correct values and that the appearance fits the rest of your sheet. If needed, make small formatting changes so everything looks polished and consistent. That's it. You've successfully created a merged style result in Smartsheet by combining cell content in a clean, practical way.